Coming up next is Mary McLeod Bethune and Miesha Brundridge. Both are educational and cultural expressions. A shared fact, Mary McLeod Bethune was a groundbreaking educator and advocate who formed a school for Black students, ensuring education was a path to liberation. Miesha Brundridge, a spoken word artist and teacher, uses education and the arts to empower young people today. A shared struggle. Both had to fight for education accessibility for Black students in the systems that marginalized them. Mary had to build schools from the ground up with little support, while Miesha fights modern day educational inequities such as underfunded schools in Black communities. And most of all is the shared victory. Both transform education for Black youth, making learning more exclusive and empowering. Mary's work paved the way for more Black educators like Miesha, who now has spoken words and storytelling to inspire the next generation. Welcome Mary McLeod Bethune and Miesha Brundridge.